So next up, crypto newcomer soars 1,100% after receiving big boost from Binance. So what is this all about? Well, there was a relatively unknown crypto asset, and it soared after getting a burst of support from the crypto exchange Binance. On Friday, the decentralized music streaming platform Audius, which is audio, it's a good ticker name, audio, launched with little attention from crypto influencers on social media. So Daily Huddle, I mean, they can't be everywhere, but I will just say this. We covered this on Friday, Audius, audio, as well as the EasyFi network, which were both launched on Binance. And the reason that I knew about it was because I did some fantastic research and I'm super smart. I'm not. It's because I signed up with Trade the Chain with Alex Mascioli's company. And these were the two alerts that I got. 12 a.m. I wasn't awake, so I missed this one. And then 10 o'clock a.m. I was doing my live stream over at Theta, so I missed this one as well. But these were already there. And then when I looked down, I'm like, ooh, what's all this? And then when I took a look at Audius, what had happened, this is what happened. So I got this alert around 10 a.m. and we talked about this on Friday. It was around 32 cents, somewhere around there. And then it just blew up over the next couple hours. So if I was a trader, I could have made a killing, matter of fact. Now, here's the problem with trading now. It did go down, and I'm obviously not good with this stuff, but if you're a trader, maybe you would see importance of getting on this information early. And we covered this pretty in depth. I actually had on Alex Mascioli from Biquant, and I had on Josh Frank, who's a CEO of vtho, the data analytics firm that put this app together. And it was pretty interesting, so check that out. I'll link it at the very end of this video. So the real question I had was, what was going on behind the scenes? And this is what they state. And this was actually some of the data that the TIE had actually disseminated and put out. And it said like this: Binance Labs, the investment and incubation arm of Binance, has made a strategic investment in Audius, a decentralized streaming protocol giving everyone the freedom to distribute, monetize, and stream any audio content. Specifically, Binance Labs led an extension round for Audius worth $1.25 million. Wow. With 750,000 monthly active users, MAUs, and over 1 million streams each month. And this is audio. This is actually going on right now. And more than 100,000 tracks. Audius has teamed up with top artists like deadmau5, 3Lau, or LEU, and RAC to help crypto cross the chasm. So this is a project that already has legs. Binance put a lot of money into it, and it was pretty amazing that I got this alert. And if I would have been a trader, I would have crushed it, but I'm not. So again, the news catalyzed a steep movement upward to as high as 49 cents. And then, of course, just so you know, it actually fell back down as the investors took profits, or traders took profits, whatever you want to say. So that's an interesting little piece. Again, I will link this video at the end of this one, so you can check it out for Friday. It's pretty interesting. Let's move on.